On this week's episode of Must Have Mondays, we have
the 2023 through 2025 Honda Pilot. This SUV is built to stop with confidence, thanks to advanced brake force distribution and features like hill descent control. When it's time for new brakes, the DFC 5000 brake kit delivers the same high level of performance, feel, and fit you'd expect from factory equipment. With our GeoSpec rotors and our premium friction formulation, it's designed for quiet, smooth, and consistent braking in any condition, whether you're commuting, road tripping, or exploring off-road. DFC is proud to be one of the first aftermarket brake manufacturers to offer brake pads, rotors, and hardware for this new application, providing a complete solution for distributors and installers alike. Whether it's our DFC 5000 series brake pads, our corrosion-resistant GeoSpec coated rotors, or our OE-specific hardware kits, every part is precision engineered for fit, performance, and reliability. For added convenience, these parts are also available in an all-in-one brake kit, saving time on the shelf and in the shop. At DFC, we stay ahead of the market by investing in innovation, expanding our catalog fast, and supporting our partners with top-tier fill rates and service. If you missed this week's Must Have Monday email, connect with your local sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Must Have Monday to see what we're launching next.